What is basic difference between research method and research methodology? Research methods are those particular tools and techniques which you use to conduct your specific research. But methodology, ology is study. Ethology means study. So methodology means study of different methods, study of different procedures which are being used in a particular investigation, in a particular research studies. Methods are applied during the later stage of the research study, but methodologies are applied during the initial stage of the research process. In this semester, we are going to study different methods, different techniques, different tools to conduct a research. But when you are going to apply those methods and those techniques in your dissertation, in your thesis, you will use the word methods. Why? Because you are going to take some specific and particular methods which suits best for your study.